Okay, morning guys. Welcome to Loei. It is a very wet, very wet morning here. It's about 6:30. It rained all night. Just stopped actually. When I got up, it was pouring down. Going to go see the morning market. It's the only morning market that I've been able to find. So they have. I found it the first day when I got here. I drove by it right away. It was huge then. What's going on here? I don't know. I didn't come back and see if there was anything here at night. It certainly sounds like the rain's coming back though. We'll go in here and take a look. See if there's anything worth making a video on. I should have made the video when I got here the first day. Never drive by something, you know, and expect it to be there later. Got some chicken here. Catfish. There's probably a night market in here. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay, this looks more like a market, don't it? Sorry, up. Why are you calling me bodybung? What does that mean? Look at all this food, man. Hello. Half the old ladies got plastic bags on their head. That's a sign that it was raining. Pretty quiet, but like I say, it was pouring rain half an hour ago. Whoa, what are you doing? Look at this. She's making a net, a cast net. Wow. That takes a long time, huh? But she's doing it very fine. Very fine mesh. Thank you. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Not a lot of people in here, but a lot of food. No all those bamboo chicken on the stick. That's what it looks like. Look at this. These are skewers, yeah? Big ones. Homemade, of course. Look, pile over there. You think they sell a lot of food on a stick? There's some strips of bamboo. I don't know if that's for weaving or something else. This place is huge. Makes no wonder there's only one market. Hello. Don't think she was interested. Look in here. See, when I found this, I came across the bridge right there. There's the river, the Loei River is right here. This place was just packed. There was more stuff on the road then than there is here now. Donuts. I don't know if they're growing avocados around here or not, but I see a lot of them. And it's an unusual thing. Here we go. Sorry, cow. What you got? Oh, it's shrimp? Got lots of shrimp. I always like to go see the butchers. You never know what they're going to have. Look how high their counters is. They all need stripping stools to get to them. She's making sausage. Oh, that's cool. Hello. Look at all the pork here. But nobody home. Check this one out. All pig feet. Look at that. You think they went through a lot of pork since last night? That's how many feet there are. Look at all this stuff. That's what I have. Happy lady, look at all the perks she's got there, huh? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing. Tons of produce. We'll circle around to the produce side. I haven't seen much fish. Probably a fish person here somewhere. Look at all your mystery meat in many shapes and forms. Oh, look at the cat. A lucky cat. Not having none of it. Not interested at all. Look at this place now. Like I say, the rain got it all slowed down, but oh, there's another cat and another cat. Cats look good, actually. These places can be amazing. Huh? This is just one little room. Dried noodles and bamboo shoots. That's it. Hello. Hello. Look at all the fermented vegetables they got here, huh? Tons and tons and tons of it. Look at this. Oh, the chili powder, chili paste, toasted rice powder. It's sleeping. The other guy's trying to wake him up. Look down through here, huh? So much stuff. I don't know what this building is. It's old, and I don't think that escalator's been used in a while. I don't know if it was a shopping mall or what. It's not that big. But shopping malls didn't used to be that big either. Some sausage. Looks okay. I have no idea. And this is pork. I can't remember what it's called. I had it the other day. I didn't really like it. I like the processed commercial one. Hello. But I didn't like the one that was made homemade. It had a very off-putting taste. That's for sure. Let's try outside. Look at this. I bet you she's harvested all that herself. Good chance of it, huh? Jungle vines, flowers. Those are pea eggplant. Those tiny little eggplant. Wing beans. Star fruit. I don't know. It looks like eggplant, but they're overripe. Hello. Come on, pandan leaf. Sometimes you just can't remember the name. Cooked food. Coconut there, huh? Yeah, the ladies in there with the cleaver, chopping it up. Not so easy working in the road in the rainstorm. I always see this and think, all the people, oh, I can't get a job, I can't find a job. Look at this. They're sitting out in the road in the rain, selling somebody else's stuff. You know? This is what you gotta do. I don't know them, but I saw these fish on a fishing show a couple of days ago. You got eels over there, huh? Like snakes. Yeah. That's big snakehead right there. And these here, feather fish or something like that. Oh,
Issan.
Oh, that's a big snakehead, that one. They don't get that big, that variety of snakehead. Some other kind of catfish, I don't know. Oh, the bok choy looks nice, huh? Hello. Look at this. Hello, sir. Yang? Ah, I know it's a fish.
Palakway.
Palakway.
อร่อย
อร่อย
ก็เห็นไหม
เห็นไหมเนี่ย
Oh,แซ่บ
แซ่บ
แซ่บเนี่ย It's so good. อร่อย อร่อย I don't think they speak Issan here very much.
ให้กับที่ด่านไว้นี่แหละ
You gonna follow me now? You gonna be my tour guide? No?
เรื่อง
No, okay. Hi. Oh, she's got jungle honey. Honey in the whiskey bottle.
ลูกหนู
Hello. See when you sit out in the rain? Huh? Oh, you have coconut water. Oh. She wants me to see her. Wow, look at all the pandan leaf. She's got bags of land crab. Ooh. Oh, land crabs. I like how they skewer through the top so they still got air. Lemongrass looking a little dry. See, this is a big parking structure. It's not used. Cool jacket, dude.
พอแล้วเท่าไหร่
Go.
30
Things are looking a little rough out here after the rainstorm. But you see these ladies? They got a couple of things, not much. You know, she's got a few bananas and a few papayas. That's it. And she's out there in the rain, open to sell it. What's down here? That sure looks like a restaurant. Maybe they cook food for the market in there. It's out in the road, dude. You totally don't need to pay rent out here. Inside, you gotta rent the stall, right? Oh, looks like herring, huh?
ได้ข้าวกล้องแล้ว
Oh, look at these guys. That's the jungle bugs. You gotta dig a big hole to find them. That's hard work. This lady's just getting set up, huh? Oh, banana flowers. Big banana flowers.
เอามาซื้อให้ยายหน่อย
Oh, no, yeah. Oh, fermented fish. Voila, whoa, man. Oh, that don't smell good. There's the pea eggplant and something off of a tree. I don't know any of these. Hello. I get asked a lot about Thailand wild edibles. Here it's just food, you know, it's not a new fad, a new craze. It's just food, and it's always has been. If it's out there, it's growing wild and it's edible, then they eat it. You know, it's not some rich kid going out on a Saturday to find 3 wild mushrooms. It's grandma in the jungle all day looking for them, you know. Oh, look at this. Sorry, huh? Oh, hello, I didn't see you. Nice hat. Check this out. I'm back inside where I was before. I didn't come all the way over here. Look at that cool basket. Huh? How cool is that? Delivery truck. Thailand delivery motorbike. Now, we'll work our way to the other side. All these different Thailand jillies. Agar, that's what it's made out of. Just cleaning up outside. So much stuff there. Oh, here we go. That's what it looks like. That's the jellies. Then it's made into fancy shapes. Okay, this guy's got a lot of garlic, shallots, and onions. Few tomatoes, few limes. One handful. Sorry, up. Now, that's a little steep on this slippery, rainy morning. Tuk-tuks. Oh, the river is ripping now. The river was so slow before, I couldn't tell which way it was going. And it had to go towards the Mekong River. I was just looking at it on the map. It's called the Loei River. Mekong is that way. Look down here. They have roofs over here. A little more upscale, a little more permanent. A little more old style, you know? See all the stuff? Big bags of it. Don't want to run over here. Wrapped in brown paper. It's amazing how many green onions get sold in this country. So look at this. A little variety pack. See what else we can see. Security. Oh man, it's going to rain. It's going to be a very wet, miserable, oh, blah, blah. Either you love it or you hate it. And I'm not in the I love it category. I'm thinking. Oh, more, blah, blah, different prices. What do you have? Not interested, I understand. Let's see what's down here. When I drove through here the first time, I could barely get through. It was so busy. Today is a different story. She's got shrimp. She's taking out a bucket of shrimp from her cooler. Maybe someone knows what is this building. It looks like it was a shopping mall at one point. Lots of rice over there. Hello. Out in the road, in the rain. It's only a camera, what could go wrong, right? Whoa. Carp. Wow, this is different. That's a lot of carp. This is that over there on the table. Look at all the ice on there. See that? He's cleaning his hands with the, oh, and his feet, with the runoff. Not very gentle, that guy. There's some more fish. This is tilapia and catfish. Big basket of frogs. What is that? Those are carp. He's cleaning the scale and carp. Oh man, the rain sucks. And these places are permanent. See what else I can find in the rain. Look at that, you know, just find a hole and put a roof over it. I'm working my way back. I parked out here on the road. Holy man, holy man, holy man, look at this. Every kind of dried fish imaginable. But then you got this one. A lot of fermented fish in garbage cans. That I don't know. It's dried. The entire fish is dried. Looks like some kind of paste. I don't know. Shrimp, fish paste. New one. Hello, sir. Chicken. I don't think we see many chicken places. I don't know what that is. I think it's charcoal. What do you got? Hello. Oh, can go. Breakfast time in the market. Nice naked. Hello. There's a lady with a plastic bag on her head from the start. Look at this naked beauties, huh? Beauties naked. Passion? I never remember the name of the Thai name. Oh, hi. Dab, no? I like them. Dab. Loei. Check this out. I think we'll end it over here with the noodle soup on wheels. Hello, ladies. Sorry, cow. Not so sure of me. Noodle soup. Oh, now you want to be my friend, huh? Now you want to be my friend. Look at this. Oh, hum. Unbelievable how hot it is inside under this roof. Oh, jing. That pot is just boiling, huh? Yeah. Better than you'd get at a restaurant. That's for sure. Pretty cool, huh? Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Taking a tour in the rain in the market. There's a full load. I'm thinking that there's probably a night market here as well, because all this inside, huh? See all of these places locked up? Probably a night market in here as well. I don't think I will find out, but unless somebody tells me in the comments section. Look at the old charcoal barbecue in the bowl with no bottom in it. And the catfish on a stick. Chicken. Yeah. Chicken. Barbecue? Loei. Ding. Thank you. Well, that's it, guys. If you want to see more videos from everybody's waving now that I don't have the camera pointed at them. If you want to see more videos from Loei, check out lifeinthailand.com. There's a playlist there with everything that I've done in this province and city. And as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Gonna start. Try it, come on.